Hello, my darlings. Come in and get comfortable. Today, let's talk about the true magic behind manifestation. Gratitude. Gratitude is the gentle key that unlocks the universe's treasures. It's not about grand gestures, but a simple shift in your heart. When we focus on what we have, not what we lack, we create a welcoming space for more abundance. Imagine your life as a garden. Nurture what's already blooming and watch more beauty grow. Gratitude is the foundation of manifestation, a loving partnership that transforms your world from the inside out. So, let's explore how a heartfelt thank you can open doors to joy and magic. I'm thrilled to guide you on this delightful journey. What is gratitude? It's a word we hear so often, but have you ever paused to truly consider what it means deep down? Simply put, it's the feeling of being thankful. But it's also so much more than that. It's a gentle recognition of the good in your life, both big and small. It's that warm sensation when you savor your morning coffee, or the comfort you feel as you slip into bed after a long, exhausting day. Gratitude is present in those quiet, everyday moments that often go unnoticed. Gratitude is a lens that shifts your focus from what's missing to the abundance already present. It's about seeing the beauty in what you have rather than longing for what you don't. It's not about ignoring life's challenges, but finding the silver linings and lessons within them. Even when things are tough, gratitude helps you discover meaning and hope. Even on tough days, gratitude helps you notice the flickers of light, the small moments of peace, kindness, or beauty that can brighten your spirit. It's a conscious choice to see the good, and the more you look, the more you find. Gratitude grows with practice, and it can transform the way you experience the world. Gratitude is a state of being, a gentle awareness of life's gifts, both ordinary and extraordinary. It's a quiet celebration of the present moment. It's the opposite of taking things for granted. When you practice gratitude, you honor the people, experiences, and simple pleasures that make life meaningful. Living with gratitude means you're truly, deeply alive, open to joy, connection, and wonder in every day. And that, my darlings, is a magnificent way to be. Gratitude is a gift you give yourself, and it can change your life in the most beautiful ways. How does gratitude help you manifest your desires? Think of the universe as a generous host. When you delight in what you have, the universe brings you more. Gratitude raises your vibration, broadcasting joy and abundance. According to the law of attraction, like attracts like, so gratitude draws more good things your way. Focusing on what you lack creates scarcity, but gratitude shifts you into a mindset of abundance. By appreciating what you already have, you align yourself with the feeling of enough, opening the door for more. Gratitude bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be. It's the rehearsal for your future reality, making manifestation effortless. Practice gratitude and watch your dreams draw closer. You might wonder, how do I actually practice gratitude? It's a question many of us have, especially when life feels busy or overwhelming. But the truth is, gratitude doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It's about finding small, meaningful ways to pause and appreciate what's already around you. Start with a gratitude journal. Each night, jot down 3 things you're thankful for, big or small. Maybe it's a warm cup of tea, a kind word from a friend, or simply making it through a tough day. Over time, you'll notice your list growing and your perspective shifting. Say thank you more often, both out loud and in your heart. Expressing gratitude to others not only lifts their spirits, but it also deepens your own sense of connection and joy. Begin your day with gratitude before your feet hit the floor. Take a moment to notice the comfort of your bed, the promise of a new day, and the simple act of waking up. Appreciate your food, your bed, the kindness of others. Savor the taste of your meals, the warmth of your home, and the laughter you share with friends and family. Turn gratitude into a mindful practice. Notice the breeze, the birds, the laughter of loved ones. Let these small moments ground you in the present and remind you of life's simple pleasures. Write a gratitude note to someone who's made a difference in your life, even if you never send it. The act of reflecting on their impact can fill your heart with warmth and appreciation. These simple acts plant seeds of joy that blossom over time. Like tending a garden, your gratitude will grow and flourish with a little daily care. Gratitude isn't another task. It's a way to make the ordinary magical. It transforms routine moments into something special, filling your days with lightness and meaning. Sprinkle it throughout your day and watch your world transform. With each grateful thought, you'll find more reasons to smile, and life's beauty will reveal itself in unexpected ways. Starting a gratitude practice is gentle and easy. Begin with the 3 good things exercise. Before bed, recall 3 things that went well today and say a silent thank you. Once that feels natural, make gratitude your first thought each morning. Anchor your gratitude to daily habits. Think of something you're grateful for while brushing your teeth or waiting for the kettle to boil. Linking gratitude to routines makes it effortless. Remember, this is a practice, not a performance. Some days will be easier than others, and that's okay. Even finding gratitude for one small thing is enough. The goal is gentle, consistent effort. Each small step brings more joy and peace into your life. Keep coming back to gratitude day after day. Once you've started, let gratitude become your daily companion. Imagine waking up each morning and greeting the day with a thankful heart, no matter what lies ahead. Gratitude isn't just a fleeting feeling, it's a way of seeing the world, a lens that colors every experience with hope and possibility. Make it a habit, not a chore. Find what resonates with you, whether it's journaling, sharing gratitude at dinner, or simply pausing to appreciate the little things. You might write down 3 things you're grateful for each night, or express thanks to someone who made your day brighter. Consistency is key. A daily dose of gratitude keeps your spirit bright and ready for abundance. Over time, you'll notice your mindset shifting, and even small moments will feel more meaningful. Gratitude helps you navigate challenges with more grace, finding lessons and silver linings even in the hardest times. It's a gentle reminder that there's always something to appreciate, no matter how small. It becomes your anchor, reminding you of the good even in tough times. When life feels overwhelming, gratitude grounds you and brings you back to what truly matters. Maintaining gratitude keeps your vibration high, supporting your manifestation journey. The more you focus on what you have, the more you attract positivity and abundance into your life. A daily gratitude practice is an act of self-love and a message to the universe that you're ready to receive. It's a gentle affirmation that you are worthy of all the good coming your way. It costs nothing, takes little time, and the rewards are immeasurable. You'll find more joy in everyday moments and a deeper sense of peace within yourself. Gratitude deepens your connections and amplifies your ability to manifest your dreams. It brings you closer to others and to your own heart's desires. So make gratitude your most nourishing habit, and watch as your life transforms in beautiful, unexpected ways. So, my darlings, we've explored the beautiful power of gratitude together. Gratitude is more than a feeling. It's the key to unlocking your manifestation power. Embrace it as a living, breathing part of your life. Start small, be patient, and let gratitude bring comfort and joy. Watch as your world transforms, reflecting the appreciation you cultivate within. Your energy is precious. Invest it in joy, love, and appreciation. By choosing gratitude, you align with the highest vibrations and become a beacon for your dreams. Gratitude is the bridge to the life you desire. Thank you for joining me. Step into your day with a grateful heart and welcome the miracles ahead. You deserve every single one of them.